you are also programmed against you. Yes, society is programmed against you. Should you rise up a little bit too much, should arouse a sort of antiviral reaction or a crabs in a bucket reaction or any kind of reaction that will make us sink to average or base humanity, yes. But you are also programmed against you, meaning a person outside you can stimulate you into invalidating yourselves, right? Among other things. So, because you think you're small, someone else outside you can make you think you're small. Neither of you are small, both of you are programmed.
Yes.
It's easy to forget this. I'll give myself as an example. I've pretty much had to win 100 awards to feel like I can win an award for real. Like to feel it in my depths. Of course, your mind acknowledges after the first one that yes, you can win an award. But for my spirit to acknowledge it, it really took, and not almost 100 as in freaking 70. I won my 91st just recently. And I noticed for the first time in a long time, I think I had a suspicion before that there is a program within me that is self-invalidating. But I noticed for the first time in a long time that, oh my God, I've been making my self feel smaller. And understanding all of this is important because you need to be able to conceptualize it in order to attack it. You need to attack your imposter syndrome. You need to attack your feeling of being small in order to invite bigger opportunities. If you're going to charge a lot of money, understand, you sort of have to have a good opinion of yourself, right? But you sort of have to have a good opinion of yourself all the way deep down. Yeah? So you need to understand that you are programmed in this way, right? For whatever reason. I don't know why we are programmed this way, but I'll tell you that we are programmed this way. I'll tell you that you have a worse opinion of yourself than actual reality, right? You think you are worse than you are. And that's every human, right? And another person will reinforce it by throwing an invalidation your way, just saying some odd thing to you. They'll reinforce the programming. So, in essence, one must understand that they are in the matrix in order to begin to free themselves. And one of the elements of your programming in the matrix is that you are made to invalidate yourself. If you defeat the enemy within, the enemy outside cannot hurt you. This is an African proverb. There's no person to quote with it, but it is the biggest truth. If you feel confident, no other human being can make you unconfident. The thing is, someone can reinforce whatever is already there. They can make you less confident than you are. And in fact, that's been happening to you this entire time, since you were in school, at work, so on and so forth. It's why you have a mortal opinion of yourself and not a high opinion of yourself. It's why you're not aware that you are a knight. People don't grant it to you, but more importantly, you don't grant it to you. Free yourself.